Across Europe, leading universities choose Panasonic technology and expertise to help them deliver premium learning experiences. Our technology is renowned for its quality and reliability. Whether it's a small classroom, the largest lecture auditoriums, or virtual setting, our technology fits every learning environment and enables universities to offer today's state-of-the-art online learning. Our PTZ cameras, remote operating systems, and optional software are renowned throughout the education world for their image quality, with optical zoom lenses capturing even the tiniest detail, and ensure that hybrid and distance learning courses run smoothly and in the highest video quality, adapting perfectly to varied acoustics and room dimensions. Our projectors, with a full 4K lineup from 5,000 to 50,000 lumens, provide vivid imagery whatever the light conditions, while still being eco-friendly thanks to low power consumption with maintenance-free operation keeping cost and effort to a minimum. Our innovative wireless presentations and display touch technology boosts productivity and collaboration, ideal when education takes place across different classrooms, lecture theatres and workspaces. Our auto tracking and audio tracking systems mean lecturers and professors can focus fully on delivering the lesson, not the technology that's recording them. And our partner video content management software is helping universities put video at the center of a new, more engaging and immersive hybrid learning experience. Although sophisticated in its performance, our technology is easy to set up and install. Everything is connected and cloud or network-based. From glass to glass, we're enabling the delivery of high-definition, high-resolution video, thanks to cameras, displays, projectors and software that share the captivating qualities of 4K everywhere. So learning becomes more inclusive, more accessible, and more impactful for every student, however and wherever they're studying.